Hey guys, welcome back to Millennial Kitchen. I'm the Millennial who is coming for both your avocados and your toast, so watch out, Miss Linda. Today we are going to be making something from Adventure Time. Now Adventure Time was a huge cartoon in my childhood. It came out in 2010 and we got 8 amazing years where we laughed, cried, and were thoroughly weirded out by the characters from OO. Now there were a lot of cool foods from Adventure Time. Everything from Tree Trunks' apple pies to the everything burrito. But today we are going to be making probably the most memeable food from Adventure Time, the bacon pancakes. Bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes. So, first we're gonna do is we're gonna make our pancakes. Get you a good pancake mix. Got this from Dollar General, and we're gonna pour it into a bowl. Now, really you should pour it into a mixing bowl, but I don't have mixing bowls. So we're gonna pour it into a regular bowl, and you're just gonna pour in however much looks good. Just beat it against the bowl a little, get some clumps out, get some more clumps out, do a little shaky. That looks fine. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of water, and then, because we don't want this to crumble and fall apart, this is a special kind of pancake, we are gonna add an egg to glue all the ingredients together. So we're gonna crack it, open it, and then we're gonna wash our hands. Now that we're done washing our hands, we are going to beat all the ingredients together. So get your magical, wonderful baby mixer and just whisk it all together. Whisk, 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 whisk. Now, when you start whisking and you notice that your mixture looks like sludgy baby food, that's when you know you don't have enough pancake mix in it. You want something kind of thick and nothing like super soupy. So we're whisking, we're gonna whisk some more. And also, beforehand, you can do this before or while you're whisking, have your bacon cooking or already cooked, or in my case, microwaved. Okay, so we're starting to get a good consistency here. Now we're gonna add a little bit of milk. So we're just gonna do a little splash of the soy milk. And we're gonna whisk it. Whisk it all together. So now we're gonna take our bowl. And I've been heating up the pan, so this is gonna drop and it's gonna sizzle and it's gonna be nice and beautiful and we're gonna love it. We're just gonna dump all of it in there. Why not? Have a big pancake. Okay, so this is gonna be a chunky boy. So while we're waiting, we're gonna take our bacon and we are just gonna shred it up and drop it in. Oh no, we lost the bacon. Okay, so as you can see, our pancake is fluffing up a bit. We've got our bacon on the bottom. I'm just gonna check and see if we are not ready to flip it yet. That's what we get for having a chunky pancake. So we're ready to flip. And remember, from when we did the grilled cheese, when we flip, he who hesitates disintegrates. So we flip it. Okay, so our pancake is done. It's so nice and lovely and beautiful. Turn the heat off, take the pan off the heat. Now we are going to decorate it. So obviously the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get some butter. Just, stick it on top, smooth it out. Then what you're gonna do, or what we're gonna do, is we are gonna take the rest of the bacon, because we did not use it all, and we are going to place it artfully as a garnish on top of the pancake. We have our bacon on top, and then we are going to take some syrup and drench this guy in syrup. Just gonna pour it all over. So I'm gonna find somebody to eat this thing, and we'll be right back.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Wow, Miss Linda, that is a lot of bacon.
That is, it's 11 pieces, Miss Terry.
Oh my goodness.
11 pieces of bacon.
Mmm.
Yep. Alright guys, that's it for this week. We'll see you next Friday.